Welcome to our video where we compare two popular dishwashers, the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W, a portable countertop model, and the Midea MDF18A1ABB, a built-in option. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen needs. The BLACK+DECKER BCD6W is a portable countertop dishwasher, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs. It offers the convenience of quick setup without the need for permanent installation. In contrast, the Midea MDF18A1ABB is a built-in model designed to be installed under your countertop, providing a seamless look in your kitchen. This difference in design caters to different user needs and kitchen setups. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W can accommodate up to 6 place settings, making it suitable for smaller households. On the other hand, the Midea MDF18A1ABB offers a larger capacity of 8 place settings, which is ideal for families or those who frequently entertain guests. This additional space can make a significant difference in your dishwashing experience. In terms of pricing, the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W is slightly less expensive at $399, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable solution. Meanwhile, the Midea MDF18A1ABB is priced at $459, reflecting its built-in design and larger capacity. Depending on your budget and needs, this price difference may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W and the Midea MDF18A1ABB have their unique advantages. The portable model is perfect for those with limited space, while the built-in option offers more capacity for larger households. Consider your kitchen setup and dishwashing needs before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.